Okay, so here we have number 16 from the Chapter 5 practice test. I'm going to show you how to do this problem. So the first thing we got to do is define some variables here. So let's go ahead and say that, let's let x be number of robotic students. Number of robotics, and y. Let's let this stand for number of science club. Number of science club. All right. Now I can use these variables to set up a system of equations and then answer the question. So I know there's a total of 68 students in total. So then that would be x plus y equals 68. There's one of my equations. I also know that the science club has 10 more students than the robotics club. So science is bigger than robotics by 10. So then I'm going to set up an equation that says like robotics plus 10 is going to add up to science club, which is my y variable. Boom, there's my system of equations. Now I need to choose if elimination or substitution is the better method. Since I have a variable that's already by itself, I'm going to use the substitution method. I'm going to take this expression right here for y, and I'm going to substitute it into this first equation. So what that looks like then is x plus y, and I'm going to leave that blank. X plus y equals 68. And in that blank spot, I am substituting this expression, x plus 10. All right. So now I have one equation, one variable. I'm going to add my variable terms together here. 1x plus my x is 2x. I got 2x plus 10 equals 68. I'm just solving for x, so I'm going to subtract 10 from both sides. Which leaves me with 2x equals 58. Divide both sides by 2. And x is 29. Cool, so that tells me, if x is 29, that tells me that there are 29 students in robotics. Now to find out how many kids are in science club, I'm going to use one of these equations. I'm going to choose the first two, this first one here. So I have x plus y equals 68. Just choosing this original equation. Could have used either one. And if x is 29, then I'm going to make that substitution in for x. Getting y by itself, I'm going to subtract 29 from both sides. Minus 29, minus 29. Leaving me with y is equal to 39. 39. Which tells me that there is a total of 39 students in the science club. Now, I'm going to do a quick check, make sure I got the right answer. I know that these should be 10 apart. Science should be 10 more than robotics. 29 plus 10 is 39, that works. I also know that there has to be 68 in total. So 39 plus 28 should give me, or 39 plus 29 should give me 68. Let's do a quick check. 39 plus 29, and that gives me 68. So I'm good.